Beautiful. So again, very wide open vowel on the G4. Sacrifices never knowing why I stay when you just push away. No matter what you see, you're still so blind to me. Just that vowel. Why? You have to open up the vowel more. That's the thing. The vowel is very open. It's ah. It's ah. Why?
Why?
Yeah, yeah, that's good though. I like that sound. You can do that. You can do that, and people will be more than convinced. Again, you gotta lean there. So up to there. Why I stay with you? Just push away, no matter what. And I think the second one is more or less close. Okay, it's more not like you wanna say what you've been through. You live what you've learned. That's a high B at the top. That's called points of authority. Okay.
What's the key of this song?
It's in the key of a D sharp minor. First, why? You gotta open that mouth really wide. You can see him opening. That's only the way you will get that sound. So, why I stay with you, just push away. No way, no matter what your way. No, 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 I don't need. Okay, I don't know. Just up to that. Why I stay when you, just up to that. So again, what. You get that power from the what and gotta open ah. That's the vowel. Why I stay. Try that.
Why I stay?
That sounds so good.
Why I stayed when you just push away?
It's okay. So when you just push away.
Okay. When you just push away.
Nice G sharp. That was almost an A actually. Killer.